Alright.
Alright, so we stuff rags down the hole, and we put this over the rag over the rest of this stuff. So that was our bad hole there. So now we're going to go ahead and figure what we're going to do here. So we're going to take our bolts, which are right here. That might be good or not, I don't know yet. Down here.
Mm-hmm.
That was not a good bolt hole. Okay, still loose. Here's our alignment tool. Transfer a bolt in. Okay, that's where it belongs. Now,
Time for the sketchy part.
this is our alignment tool, isn't it?
Is that the correct one?
No, this is our alignment tool.
Right.
Technically, it should be close. See, we're off a little bit on our center.
Mm-hmm.
So we can either get that hole where we want it to be, or we just leave it where
I thought we were going to do it off the drill.
we came off this hole.
What the...
Nobody said that hole was any good either.
Right.
This one's stripped. Obviously, that's not going to go in that hole. So theoretically, I should have went straight down without hitting. I could spot it like better, but we only got a thou clearance on the drill, and we got a thou or so here. So we only got like 2.5 thou clearance is our total error.
Mm-hmm.
Which means your center line can only be 1 1/4 off,
Right.
or it doesn't work. So it's going down that far, but it's really close. So we can either come off that hole, or we can just do like we did and call it done. So what do you want to do?
Can't we align the rest of the jig off of every hole itself, or no?
Yep.
With the drill?
Let's use a different drill. We can do it. This one still doesn't like going in there, even when we do that.
Mm-hmm.
So nobody said any of the holes are good. Nobody said the fixture is any good either. We did come off a gasket. We have no straight dimensions to go by. So, so you put pressure on it. It goes in that far before it gets tight, so I think it's really tight.
Mm-hmm.
So it's pretty close. Either way, it's going to be close enough, because when we put that in there, it's going to drill it to whatever we say it's going to be.
Right.
So, boom, 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 it goes straight in. So I say, so yanger in there and call it done. Okay, now you don't have a motor fixture tool to hold your motor solid, do you?
Nope.
Oh, okay. I don't have one either. I'm not going to make one either.
No, I wouldn't.
It's too much time and effort. We don't really care. All right, so put a little lube down the hole, a little lube on the drill, put a little bit of lube on the bushing. That's a square drive, right?
Mm-hmm.
We just have to have a square drive right here.
Square. Yeah, you were going to use the extension cord.
I know, I'm going to unwrap this one. wrap just in case. Got plenty of slack. How far down we want to go? I think argued right in. That's why I like reamers, not drills. Digging in hard.
Mm-hmm.
It hits, it hits. Where am I going?
Backwards.
It was going good until it stopped. It went that deep. So how deep do we need to go?
Deeper than that. Maybe. Losing a lot there.
We went in that deep. How deep that is.
Shit looks damn close to the bottom.
Looks like it is all the way to the bottom.
Right. If it ain't at the bottom, it's damn close.
It looks like it is all the way to. It looks like it was cutting on the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Because of the swirl mark at the bottom
Yeah.
from the tip of it.
It kind of looks like it.
Yeah. That looks like the tip of a drill.
Okay, let's blow that out first. I'm not doing that. Got this. Bad as you.
You picked up the wrong one? Oh, you went too far.
I got the airline right here to use.
Oh, okay. You went too far. Oh, okay.
That's right.
Okay.
Being dumb.
Looks like a clean hole in there.
There's a hole.
There is a hole. And it looks good.
The drill didn't want to go in, but it
It looks
went in.
straight.
It went in. Maybe I dulled the drill enough from the backwards it quit digging in. Too sharp. I've had that issue before when stuff is too sharp.
Mm-hmm.
I'll keep that out just in case. Okay, now. That's what you're supposed to bring a brake clean.
Oh, yeah, it was, huh? I was too worried about coming here.
We definitely had another hole below it. We were cutting.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Hey, light. Yeah, no auto for the light.
No air pressure.
It definitely had a hole. Oh, they connect.
Yes, they do.
The two, these two connect.
I know.
Oh,
It's a hole down there.
yeah.
Where's the air pressure down? Yeah, we're down to 50 pounds air pressure. That's why it's not working very well.
Oh,
I think we popped the circuit breaker. When did that happen?
I don't know. It cut itself off earlier. Yep, we popped the breaker.
That's weird. Still got juice.
Until we broke the compressor?
Something's going on with the compressor. Oh well.
What do you mean, oh well?
Oh well. Okay, what do we got going on here?
Alright, we're looking in the hole.
Okay, the hole is that deep. Here's how deep the hole goes. Same. So I didn't go any deeper. Well, that has a nice tall center point. And I don't think we didn't drill deeper.
No.
I don't think we're quite to the bottom of the hole. It looks like there's about 1/8 of an inch of straightness down there that we didn't go down. You can also see right here we got a little bit of residue of the
Well, you can see.
drill down there. Or is that just, no, it's pretty smooth.
No, you hit the bottom.
It's cleaned.
But you hit the bottom of the hole.
No. You look down at the bottom, there's about 1/8 of an inch lip down there where it didn't go over.
Right, because that's where it hit the tip at.
Yeah.
It didn't hit
Well, I
the
didn't drill
actual
it
drill,
deeper.
right.
We ran out of the depth at the same point that the drill was
Right.
out of depth, so it worked out perfect. So we know we go until it's flush, we stop.
Right.
That works out.
Perfect.
It's hard to over drill something when it's made perfect. Okay. So now this goes back on here like this. Drill and drill bushing. Drill and hole. See, it didn't even go down either. We just got done drilling that hole. It still won't go in there. I think there's grit and shit in there though.
I wouldn't know. Yeah.
There's a lot of grit in there. Too precision. The bushings are too precision. We don't have room for Harley grit.
Not at all. Perfect.
It's tight.
It's still tight. Still stops.
It's a positive stop.
Mm-hmm.
That's tight. I thought this one you made fit better. Is that how tight it was?
Mm-hmm.